Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to your moral science class, children. Today I am going to explain you the next chapter 3, that is your courtesy. But before, I want to tell you and I want to know, children, that you must enjoy your summer vacation, isn't it? With your quality time with your parents in this pandemic, and you have must given the more time, more attention on study. There is having this problem. The after that also you must have enjoyed at your home. It is not necessary we'll go outside then only enjoy. You must have enjoyed and given attention, fully attention on your study. So children, let's begin the next chapter, that is courtesy. And today I'll explain the short notes which given on that or this courtesy. So first of all, you understand about the courtesy, children. So this is your courtesy. The chapter 3 will study today about the courtesy. Children, you have to write the you understood about the quotations on courtesy. Okay, you understand some quotations that that you will study. The very good quotations on courtesy, children. Courtesy nothing cost nothing but buys everything. If you are courteous, okay, then you can, there is no cost but you can buy many things from it, isn't it? You can, if you are courteous person, then everyone likes you. So children, if you are courteous person, you don't have to pay anything, but you can buy, means you will become so good, then you can do all the things. It means that, isn't it? Now I want to explain about something more on the courtesy. What is a courtesy and what do you understand by courtesy, children? Actually, the courtesy means good manners, isn't it? The good manners and polite behavior. Okay, and a kind man is a very little, this kindness, the courtesy is a very small word, okay, and that but has a great impact in our life. If you are courteous, then everyone will like you, and sometimes these kind words gives us a better reward. Okay, if you are courteous, polite towards others, they will like you. You can change their life even, isn't it, in some manners. So courtesy satisfy ourselves and give pleasure to others, isn't it? If you are courteous, then you will give the pleasures for others. Courteous people everyone likes. And children, this courtesy does not live in more words because it is present in kind and good deeds. If you are courteous, then you will show your courtesy by acting, okay, by doing some good work, in the behave, you will behave in a good manner. Okay, so that's why you can say this another quotation, that all doors opens to courtesy, isn't it? That if you are courteous, then whatever the problem is there, it you can overcome from that, okay, and you can give the pleasures to others also, children. Okay, so we must be kind and courteous. And next your quotation on this is that he who shows courtesy reaps friendship, and he who plants kindness gathers love, isn't it? If you are courtesy, then you can reap the friendship. The next quotation is on courtesy is just a way of showing people that we have respect for them. If you are courteous, what you are showing? You are showing that you are giving respect to the people, okay, you are giving the honor to the people, okay. So this shows in your behavior, okay. If you are courteous, then this shows in your act, in your behavior, in your words, children, okay. Now the grace of God is courtesy. So you know, the God is also becoming very happy, or you can say become pleases to see that we are courteous, we are helping to others, cooperative, kind, isn't it? So God also likes the courteous people, the kind people. Understood? So these was these some quotations that you understood and you can know about what is a courtesy. Now I want to explain you your chapter 3, that is your courtesy, children. Okay, this chapter 3. So you are studying here. Courtesy is being polite and respectful. If we are courteous, then we should be polite, okay, and respecting to others, isn't it? And your behavior will show how courteous you are, isn't it? And this shows you that how much you are concerned for others, isn't it? How much the values having for others, how much you are concerned for others, what you can do for others, how you how you can show your good deeds for others, isn't it? So this is a courtesy. Your thoughts will show, your acts will show towards the others, your feelings will show that how a courteous people you are. Okay, so courteous people is always being polite. Okay, they are polite, they are speaking the polite words, and they are very respectful, they are respecting to others. So you can, in other words, you also say that the courtesy is treating with others with warmth and respect, children. Okay, always we are respecting to others, we are speaking the polite words, isn't it? So you will always see that the courteous people, you must have seen, they are helping. While anyway you can see the examples of the courteous people. Okay, whenever you are meeting to someone, they are speaking very softly, they are helping you in many manners. Okay, whatever you need, whatever you require, isn't it? While traveling also, the courteous people are helping the person who was in danger, who was in problems. So they are helping. Okay, while traveling they are giving their own seats. So for the old person, for the blind person, they are helping on to crossing the roads. There are many ways are there that that their act shows that they are the courteous people, isn't it? So the courteous people speak always in a gentle way, and they have the graceful manners. Okay, they are not arrogant, they are not only responsible for, they are not only self-centered, isn't it? Not self-centered, arrogant. They are very polite, they are thinking for others, they are behaving with others very politely, in a very gentle way, in a very gentle manners, isn't it? So that is the fashion, and they are behaving with a graceful manners. So I can say about the courtesy, children, that courteous person is liked and loved by all. Those who are courteous, the person is like either their friend, they are very popular, very famous among their friends and in their relatives also, isn't it? They are everyone, because he is a courteous people. Okay, so you can say, children, that these type of people are the foundation of good society, isn't it? We have required of the courteous people. Okay, so these type of people are the courteous people are the foundation of our good society and for the nation. Understood? So this you will study properly, read the chapter very nicely, children, and learn it. I will explain you some more topics on my other video. So today I will explain up to here, children. Thank you very much.